Enzo, tell us a little bit about our players.
Alright, so let's give it up for Happy and Lucy. Let's give a quick background for player on screen. You can see him on the left side. His name is Shotty. He'll be the first member maybe of the PH BBTC single of Santana. So his name is on the scene for almost 11 years already. And he's got a wealth of knowledge. Wealth of knowledge. And of course, we on the other side, we have Lucid, also very experienced player in this PH. Grabe, medyo bigatin talaga yung semifinals natin. This is the biggest tournament in the Philippines.
Out of 110 players, 4 na lang ang natira.
Yes, I mean, we can see the experience and all the angles that can be accumulated being shown here.
I'm really excited to jump into the teams that we have. And our players are also, for sure, very excited to get into ours. And so tell us, how is this going to work? What's BGC like though?
So BGC is the official format for the Pokemon Championship for the video game division. And now just a big
Let's go.
We have 6 Pokemon each. We're gonna bring forward 2 at a time. It is a doubles battle. The first to eliminate all Pokemon will win the match. And it is open team sheet, by the way, so they know what they are going to face.
I'm talking about the teams that we have here on the screen from the perspective of our player one, that's Shorty. It's a lot of balance. This is what we call a balance for our main team. Some great timing solution. And one of the only players to bring a Homo to the tournament as well.
Yes, Homo is a very strong Pokemon back in the
Oh, rare ang Homo.
So it has the very special move called Lightning Scales. So do you know what it does?
It boosts the stats so much and it will do so much damage afterwards.
Yes, so that is one
Oh,
strong
ay, nay.
and very likely Pokemon as it is.
Let's talk about Pokemon versus side naman. Has a lot of other elements in from the balance scores aside from the Shorty. Ano masasabi mo dito sa
So one, they only have one weapon. Sa lahat ang gusto nila, kung namaglo sa labas, malamig dito sa loob.
Yo! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Wow!
Here we are, game 1 of our semifinals. Lucid sends out Riverman Golden Grove. And our Shorty on our side is checking out Como and Magmar.
Look at that shiny Magmar. So ito na mga kaibigan. Kasi if you put back on roll, Gecko is a ghost steel type Pokemon. Ang partner with Willabong on that grass typing. So we have Fighting and Magmar. So
Ramdam mo? Ramdam mo? Ramdam mo ba?
Grassy Seed. So Grassy Seed does what?
It boosts the defense of the Pokemon holding it if it is under rapid range. So more defensive Golden Go on the other side. But we have some defensive tools as well on Shorty. Apart from the amazing damage that Promo can bring. Magmar can redirect attack. Magmar can burn the opponent.
And here's the thing. So this is just a takeout.
Oh! Fake out!
Hello, says no. Nasty blow.
Hey! Let's go! What? No! 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 Let's go!
Ang masama ng nano ay matutuloy! Okay, kumapit talaga ng si Golden Go. Grassy Sea is not helping there. Talaga yung natural
Ayun na,
goal siya.
ayun na.
This is special defense. Pero look at Magmar all the way!
Mararamdaman mo yan.
So big damage galing sa side ni Magmar. Normally very defensive pero damage tayo for one.
I think it all depends on what we go to speed. So in Pokemon, speed
Go,
is very
Hubed!
important because if you are fast, hindi ka unang gagalaw. Kapag ikaw unang gagalaw, ikaw ang unang gagalaw. Tingnan natin, sino ang mas mabilis sa game na ito?
We saw a while ago na take out as a priority move na pigilang gumalaw ang OBO sa side ni Shorty where
Tera.
si more sa third item.
Ito na rin naman. Pero kung isang promo ay nagabot, ito ba ang tensor talaga like exciting? Or will Magmar do its thing?
And here we see the first and last celebration of our semi-final match.
Let's go!
Okay, sige na.
Sky full of stars.
Dalaw na ang mga moves na ating bumo.
We're looking at this. Okay.
Okay!
going to be the boost in attack, boost in defense, boost in special attack, special defense, and speed. Lahat na nasa iyo na.
Pero syempre mababawasan siya ng konting HP dahil sa move na yun. Pero dahil sa stroke spray, tataas pa lalo yung boost niya. So Shadow Ball getting really
Tama daw.
sa ating Ragnar, and that is a knockout.
Ragnar going down but not without impact.
That's the first knockout of our semifinals. Mainit na mainit.
Sobrang init, and now sino kaya ang susunod na ilalabas? Hindi. Okay. A shining Kingdom is now on the field.
So two steel types beside Shorty. Great defensive typing versus the also steel type Golden.
Ayan na, okay. Okay, Buffy.
Ano ang gagawin niya? Kasi low HP kasi yun eh.
Ano konti na lang mawawala na yung Golden Go from the field. Pero this Rillaboom can still launch a high horsepower.
But to give context, makikita natin dito na si Golden Go ay nag-heal ng HP ko.
Wow!
It's another pair for Golden Go to stay on the field, protecting, reporting the field.
Okay, mga kapatid, looking at the
Protect.
is the sword!
Yan! Pumasok!
Shorty to protect the side of Golden Go. That boosts the stats of our King Gambit.
So just to give context to the now, Zordan's
Kulay green. Ay, Mirai doon, kulay yellow. Yung sa electric.
King Gambit, kung sino man ang humarapot na nga
Tawag dyan, terrain.
Kung ako nasa side of the field, kinakabahan na ako sa King Gambit niya. Sobrang lakas na ng King Gambit.
Again, experienced players at times. And looking at the Pokemon count, naman pa rin si Yuki.
So yan, Lucid can easily still take control, pero Shorty banking on the very strong King Gambit sa side niya.
Yes, so again, just a quick recap. On Strong's side, we have a very boosted combo that is Paraskill. And we have
Ah, nag-protect ulit! Wala na! Pati fail!
Go!
Go! Let's go!
Pokemon on the other side, knocking out Golden Go.
Patay!
Rillaboom down to 58% HP. Susunod na gagalaw, Rillaboom wins. A drop beating. Very interesting for some speed control.
Drum beating is the best like special game for Robo using the run.
Let's go! Wow!
Shorty. Bigyan natin ang context na. So, ang ginagawa ng Rosemary ay nag-decrease ng HP by 50%. So, technically,
Sinasabi na rin nila.
medyo mas alamay.
Even if feeding ng one Pokemon sa side.
90. Yes.
Very strong.
Ayan na!
Tayo sa side.
Shiny! Shiny!
Alright, this Dragonite is actually very scary on its own right. Okay, and also we have a Ninetales.
Pero kung ako yung nasa side ni Lucy, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Sobrang lakas ng King Gambit na to. Boosted ang stats din ng Pokemon sa bilang side.
Patay! Yari!
He also has Encore. So, medyo
And may resistances. Kaya pa rin. And then now, second terraformation coming out sa side ni Lucid. Turning that Dragonite into a ground fight. Seems to be lalakas yung stomping pattern sa side ni Dragonite. Sabi niya, masakit ang ginagawa ko.
Oy! Nice one! Aurora Veil!
Mawawala yung boost sa kabilang side dahil defensive.
Yun nga lang! Wow! Focusan! Focusan!
And next up, we have that Dragonite.
Yun! Let's roll!
On to the King Gambit. And now being on the other side.
One down.
Ninetales.
Last Pokemon! Last Pokemon, Dragonite!
Pero just to be honest, Stomping Creeper is actually being driven by Damsel. He's double the amount if nag-fail.
Wala na! Hindi na mag-heal yun!
So in this case, that is perfect.
Wala na kasi wala na yung heal!
Wala na yung terrible damage. Was dropped and now
Wala na, patay na ang ano.
Up pa rin ang Volcano scale, up pa rin ang Aurora Girl. So may support pa rin sila with to live a couple of hits. Pero is it going to be enough? I think there is still a way out.
Legendary moment yan, pag ano.
Dragonite breaking the multi-scale. Up next, Dragonite scales.
Oh!
Game one goes to Shotzi. Nepo, baby, na VGC.